Look at that beauty. It is Mr. Krabs on my phone. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this super special box right here. In this box are a bunch of different Casetify cases, as you can tell by the wrapping paper on this, for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So before we start getting this box open, I do have to give a huge thank you to Casetify for sending all these cases out to me for free in order to make this video about them. And also Casetify gave me a link, casetify.com/warenotice, that if you use it, you can get 15% off your order from their website. So that is pretty cool. Thank you once again, Casetify. And without further ado, let's get this box open. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. And as you can see, that Casetify wrapping paper is super duper cool. It says Casetify everywhere. And the eyes, the dots on the eyes are a bunch of different colors. I'm seeing red, blue, yellow. So it's pretty nice. But anyway, sorry Casetify wrapping paper, but we have to ruin it and rip it off to see what's actually in the box, the star of the show, these cases for the S22 Ultra. So we can go ahead and start ripping this wrapping paper off. Here we go, and cool bubble wrap on the inside as well to keep the box nice and safe. We can pull this off and voila, here is the box. And wow, silly me, I had it upside down, but here it is. It's even got a beautiful bow right here. So let's go ahead and untie this bow, voila. And we can pull the top off the box now. Okay, moment of truth. Look at all those cases, and wow, that is a lot of cases. So we can go ahead and untie this bow inside the box and move this tissue paper, and now we can see all of these cases. Totally beautiful. As you can see, they even included some SpongeBob cases because, yes, I saw Casetify was doing a SpongeBob collaboration, and I'm like, I used to love SpongeBob when I was a kid. I used to watch it all the time, so I just had to ask for some. As you can see, Krusty Krab pizza and SpongeBob smiling. We also got some custom cases here, one that says Shane and one that says CEO, and we've got some pre-designed cases as well. I picked these two. I think they're really pretty. They both have to do with finger paint. So anyway, let's get all of these cases out of the box. So now we are down to all the individual case packagings themselves, as well as this thank you card. Thanks a million for choosing us. And we've also got some wet wipes in here, some screen cleaning wipes, if we want to use those as well. I prefer microfiber cloths. So anyway, let's put these to the side and let's get all these cases out. So now that we've got all these different cases right here, all nice and lined out, let's talk about them. These are all Casetify's Impact or Impact Crush cases. Actually, all of them are Impact besides the two custom ones. This one right here that says CEO, we can peel the plastic off. This is an Impact Crush, and this one right here that says Shane, this is an Impact Crush as well. We can peel the plastic off this too. And basically the difference is for Impact Crush cases, they are made of upcycled foam cases, and the Impact cases are made of 65% recycled material. And also all these cases are coated with an antimicrobial coating as well. So those are some of the different features of these cases. We can also take the plastic off the Krusty Krab one right here and also off of the SpongeBob one. So that is interesting. And if you're wondering how much all these cases cost, they all will set you back $65. But anyway, let's start trying them on my phone. We got the Galaxy S22 Ultra here. We can go ahead and put it in the Krusty Krab case. Here we go. And let's see. Look at that beauty. It is Mr. Krabs on my phone. Krusty Krab pizza. We've got a pizza. We got Mr. Krabs, and it says SpongeBob SquarePants. And I guess that's the Krusty Krab logo, the shell right there. So that is pretty cool. And it's also got sort of like a tablecloth vibe going on where it's got these red and white squares. So that is pretty cool. If you're a big fan of SpongeBob, this could be the case for you. Anyway, let's get this off my phone and let's get to the next one. I think I will do the other SpongeBob case next. So here we are. This one's kind of cute. It's just smiling SpongeBob's face right there. And it's also partially translucent, so you can see that it gets darker because I've got the phantom black Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here. So that's kind of interesting. I probably would prefer if this wasn't translucent, so it would stay SpongeBob's natural yellow color, because the translucency here makes SpongeBob look kind of greenish, whereas usually he's yellow. But still, that's pretty cool though. He's got such a cute smile and says, once again, SpongeBob SquarePants, just like this one. Next, I'm gonna try this case onto my phone, and before I do, I gotta say this red interior is kind of cool. Check this out. I think this is a really good looking design, especially with the Phantom Black S22 Ultra here, because as you'll notice, the case itself is also that same deep matte black, but then it's got this pop of color right here. I think this looks really, really awesome. As you can see, it says Casetify around the camera lens right here, as all the cases do. And another thing you'll notice too is right here it says this case is made from 65% recycled material. They probably didn't need to put that on the phone case. A lot of cases these days are made of recycled material and they don't say it on the phone case. But I mean, I guess if you're really proud of having recycled material, you might like that right there. And yeah, over here, as you can see, we got cut out for the S Pen on this case. We can pull it out just like that. We can push it back in. We got a cutout for the speaker grill, cutout for the USB-C port. Over here, we got the volume buttons. Ooh, and those are nice and clicky. We got the power button. Over here, nothing. Over here on the top, cutout for, I believe, the microphone right there. And over here, obviously, big cutout for all the different cameras on this phone. But anyway, let's get to the next finger paint case after this one. So here we go. This one is even more colorful because it's got yellow, orange, green, red, in addition to, well, I guess this one sort of has a little green there, in addition to all the really cool colors on this case right here. I'm not sure. I think I actually like this one better just because it's only cool colors, whereas this one is both warm and cool colors. And I also like that it's sort of, you know, only on this part of the case, and then it has that really contrasting black right there. Whereas with this one, it's a little less black. But personally, I think these are both very nice designs, but I think I definitely like this one better right here. But anyway, let's move on to the custom cases. That's exciting. So right here, we've got the first Impact Crush case that we've tried on right here on my S22 Ultra. And I've got to say, this custom design is so cool. It says Shane, and it also says it in red. Warenotice red, which is super duper awesome. I love red. And then also, even though this case is clear, since I have the Phantom Black S22 Ultra, this case gives off this sort of mean looking matte black, well, I guess sort of glossy black because of the clearness, but really deep black vibe that really contrasts very well, I think, with the red text right here. So that is pretty cool. As you will see, another way to sort of tell you're dealing with an Impact Crush instead of an Impact is it's got these sort of speckled sides right here. This sort of, I don't know what to call it. It almost looks like glitter, but it's not glitter, so that is cool. And right here it says this case is made from recycled phone cases. I feel like it's more appropriate to say that on this case because the point of getting an Impact Crush is buying that case made from upcycled phone cases. So yeah, otherwise it's pretty much the same. Still S Pen cutout, speaker grill cutout, USB-C cutout. Over here, clicky power button right there, clicky volume buttons. Up here, mic cutout, and over here on the back, obviously camera cutout right there. So yeah, let's check out the CEO custom case. Oh boy, folks. Now this is cool. I like the pattern going on here. I like that it's slightly tilted. It gives it an interesting angle. You know, instead of being like a sort of square, straight checkerboard pattern, it's tilted, which I think is kind of nice. And I just think the font looks good. CEO looks good. I picked the colors on this too. So I think the white CEO with the sort of gray shadow along, once again, this matte black Phantom Black S22 Ultra looks really good. Because once again, this is a clear case. So if you got a different color S22 Ultra here, it would look different if you put this exact case on it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And once again, this is one of those Impact Crush cases, as you can tell, because it's got the speckled sides. And it also says right here, this case is made from recycled phone cases. So there you go. That's pretty good looking, if I do say so myself. But now next, folks, what I want to do is test out the wireless charging with one of these cases on. So here I have a wireless charger, my Apple MagSafe charging puck. Obviously, these Samsung S22 Ultras don't have MagSafe. They don't have magnets built into it, but this will still work as a wireless charger. So let's see, does it work with the case on? Okay, let's see, and you know I gotta make sure I line it up. That's why I really like MagSafe on the iPhones, then you don't have to think about lining up your wireless charger, but boom, there it goes. Yes, it wirelessly charges, so that is pretty cool. But now, anyway, folks, with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice video about all these beautiful Casetify cases right here. So once again, thank you very much, Casetify, for sending all these out to me for free in order to make this video about it. And if you guys want any of these cases for yourself, once again, each one of them will set you back $65. And of course, if you are planning on buying anything from the Casetify website, you can feel free to use my link, which I'll have down in the description, casetify.com/warenotice for 15% off your order. And anyway, folks, definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these cases. Do you have them for yourselves? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Definitely let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys are in the market for your very own case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this smartphone right here, and I'll have a link to that down in the description as well, so be sure to check that out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.